Former President Donald Trump on Tuesday pleaded not guilty to 34 felony counts of falsifying business records, becoming the first sitting or former president to ever face criminal charges. He is accused of paying 2 women to suppress their accounts of sexual encounters with him. The 76-year-old and frontrunner for the 2024 Republican nomination showed little emotion as he waved to a crowd assembled outside a Manhattan courtroom, entered its hallways, and sat with hands folded at the defense table as he entered his plea. The indictment alleged that Trump and others violated election laws through a scheme to suppress the publication of negative information about him ahead of the 2016 U.S. election. The 2 women were adult film actress Stormy Daniels and former Playboy model Karen McDougal. Trump has denied having had sexual relationships with either woman. Prosecutors said some of the evidence against Trump was caught in an audio recording in September of 2016 as he and his attorney, Michael Cohen, allegedly discussed how to suppress stories about his affair. Court documents said Trump can be heard saying, "So what do we got to pay for this?" Cohen served more than a year in prison after pleading guilty to a federal campaign finance law violation for paying Daniels.
It is 34 business records, 34 false statements in business records that were concealing criminal conduct.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, a Democrat, spoke to reporters after Trump's arraignment.
Less than 2 weeks before the presidential election, Michael Cohen wired $130,000 to Stormy Daniels' lawyer. That payment was to hide damaging information from the voting public. The participant scheme was illegal.
Altogether, the charges carry a maximum sentence of 136 years in prison under New York law, but an actual prison sentence, if Trump were convicted, would almost certainly be far less than that. Hundreds of supporters and anti-Trump protesters, separated by barricades set up by police, rallied near the courthouse. Many shouted and held signs that read, "Lock him up," as well as "Trump or death."
I'm here to promote Trump's new name, felony.
President Trump, we love you. We support you. Thank you for everything you're doing for us.
Trump, who raised a fist in the air before leaving for his arraignment, has portrayed the case as politically motivated. From his motorcade, Trump posted on social media, "Wow, they're going to arrest me. Can't believe this is happening in America." Joe Tacopina, a lawyer for Trump, told reporters his team will fight the case.
It's a family, it's a team, and we have one mission, and we'll achieve that.
What's your next move?
Trump was fingerprinted, but no mugshot photo was taken, according to a Twitter post by a New York Times reporter. Legal experts say any trial is more than a year away.